Hi, Deborah. I think you're off to a good start here. You have used the same size circles. You've used the same colors in each composition, and you've started to lay out your elements in the as described in the hierarchy described in the project brief. We're looking at the individual element as most important thing on the page, and I think it works really well right here. That individual element is commanding a lot of negative space. The other groupings of elements are more off to the side and to the corner. This one, the individual element isn't as important as it is in that first version, and that's because of the amount of negative space that it's commanding. Both this grouping and this grouping have larger amounts of negative space associated with them, and what it's becoming is a collection of elements within the center of the composition here. So I think this one's terribly successful. I think this one isn't as successful. Dominant, subdominant, I'm not sure which one is the dominant ones in your compositions here. Quite often, left to right, right-hand side's more important. Excuse me, left-hand side usually is a dominant place. You have the bigger grouping here, but again, this grouping here seems to command quite a good deal of negative space, and so it's not instantly obvious to me which grouping is most important. Same thing here. The placement of these elements on the left-hand side gives it some visual dominance, but here this grouping is bigger, so there seems to be a little bit of a mixed visual message going on there. And I think the equal one is really pretty well equal here in visual dominance. So if you could revisit those three and emphasize the visual dominance as much as you can, make it as obvious as you possibly can. We don't have to be subtle in this assignment. We can really push the visual dominance as far as we can. So if you could please revisit those and then post your results, I would appreciate it.